How to fix GTA 5 exited unexpectedly. Please click retry below to enter the game again. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the GTA 5 exited unexpectedly error when launching the game. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, if you have any overlays enabled like Steam, Discord or Nvidia, you need to turn them off. Let's start with Steam. Open Steam, click on the Steam menu at the top left and go to Settings. Now on the left, click on In-Game and toggle off the Enable the Steam Overlay while in-game option. Next, if you're using Nvidia, launch GeForce Experience. Go to the General tab and toggle off the in-game overlay option there too. Now try launching GTA 5 and check if the error is gone. If the problem still exists, move on to the next step. Right-click on your Start menu and choose Device Manager. Now expand Display Adapters. You'll see two GPUs, one integrated and one dedicated. Right-click on your dedicated GPU, usually the second one, and click Disable Device. Now launch GTA 5 using your game launcher, whether that's Steam, Epic, or Rockstar. Once the game starts loading, go back to Device Manager, right-click your dedicated GPU again, and select Enable Device. This method has helped many users fix the unexpected crash issue in GTA V. If this worked for you, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more gaming fixes. That's all for the video.